Hi, I'm Leslie Hers with Coldwell Banker, and here we are in Boulder County at 2408 Ginny Way in Lafayette, Colorado in the Blue Heron subdivision. This home was custom built by the original owners and the details are incredible. We've got a gourmet chef's kitchen, an oversized master suite, a walkout basement with a full wet bar, but today I'm here to tell you about this incredible lot. This oversized lot backs up to open space. And what that means is that this beautiful land that's right behind us will never be built on. It's owned by Boulder County. So this serene setting, this walking path will stay. The second and third floor also have a nice view of the Blue Heron Lake. And everyone loves this Blue Heron subdivision. There's always something fun going on here. Easter egg hunts, wine tasting, 4th of July parade. The facilities also include tennis courts, pool, clubhouse, and a nice oversized park. If you are looking to buy property in East Boulder County, I'd love to show you this home. I'm Leslie Hers with Coldwell Banker, 303-517-9873.